Good morning, afternoon, morning, I guess. We're out here in the morning. We decided today to make a trip to Apopka, Florida, which is a little north and east of Orlando. We decided to make a trip up here because we are going to the Lake Apopka Wildlife Drive. Right now it's currently only open, as you see on the sign here, Friday, Saturday, Sunday from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and it's an 11-mile one-way road. And they're also open on federal holidays, which you can see on the sign right here. They're also open these days. So we're here to take this wildlife drive. It's 11 miles. It takes 1 to 3 hours depending on how much you stop, because the speed limit is only 10 miles an hour and they claim that it's strictly enforced. So we will see how things go. Hopefully we'll see some animals and some wildlife. Come along for the trip.
you enjoyed this short video. Please don't forget to help us out by subscribing and hitting that like button. As always, we look forward to your comments, and if you'd like to stay up to date with all our new videos, please click the notification bell. Thanks, see you soon!